I'm sorry, excuse me, thank you, may I, please, or you're welcome. This one. You said, may I have that pen? You copy this. Can I have some water, please? Oh, sorry, this cake is for you. Thank you. Thank you. Here. Look at here. In the number 1, you put here, you copy here. You copy it. You copy it in the number 1. You copy it in the number 1. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. My student for now is Kendrick. What's your name? Kendrick Idula. Okay.
Look.
He has many kalungat. What's that?
Lemon!
It's kalungat.
Kanan means lemon.
It's not lemon. What kalungat means?
Lemon.
It's not lemon. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Okay, here. Okay, here. You copy it. Copy. So, may I copy it here? That one. M-A-Y and I.
And
May I get that pen? May I have that pen? Oh, you copy it. May I? May I?
Now.
May I have that pen? Okay, this one. Can I have some water? Please. Oh, you copy it. Please. What to say when you want someone to get water for you? Can I have some water? Please. Okay, say it again. Can I have some water? Please. Okay, you copy it here. Please. The one that I encircled. Please. Very good, Kendrick. Very good lagi si Kendrick. Nag-very good. Kabala mo, guys. Nag-very good na si Kendrick. Mag-atumig mati. We will go to mati because Kendrick is very good. Right?
Huh?
You want to go to mati? Good afternoon.
I will get something.
No. Later, we're not done.
Wait, teacher. I will get something.
No. Kendrick.
Wait.
I know.
Mark!
No, Teacher Mark is there ni Kuya Kaizen. Here, Kuya. Here pa. Ouch! Oh, when you say someone is hurt. Ouch, you say? Ouch, sorry. Like that. I'm sorry. Oh, you copy it here. You put it here. I'm sorry, like that. I'm sorry. Okay, copy here, ha? Copy niyo mo siya. Ha? Ganito, ha?
I'm
sorry. Copy it here. Copy it here. Okay. No, here. Number 3. I'm sorry.
Come on.
Take this one. Like that. I'm sorry. Put it here. Letter I.
Letter I.
Letter M.
Letter M.
Letter S. Okay, here. Letter S.
Letter
S. Okay, letter S.
S. S.
O. Letter O.
O.
Letter R. Letter R.